Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the console and accessory. Make sure your PS5 is updated and your DualSense has at least 50% charge. Once done, place the Bluetooth accessory into its manufacturer pairing mode or plug the accessory's USB dongle into a free USB port. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. These steps save time because the PS5 only detects discoverable devices or proprietary dongles, so start pairing right after power and update checks. You now go straight to Settings, then Accessories, General, and open Bluetooth accessories to start scanning. The PS5 will search and list discoverable devices. Make sure the accessory stays in pairing mode while you watch the list. Once you see the correct device name, select it and follow on-screen prompts. Sometimes a PIN appears, and you simply confirm or enter 0000/1234 as required. This method works because PS5 pairs only visible devices or accessories using USB dongles, so stay focused on the list. You finish by confirming the accessory shows as connected under Accessories, and then testing audio or input immediately. If the device doesn't appear, make sure you try its USB dongle first. Many Bluetooth audio devices require their proprietary dongle for PS5 compatibility. Once done, restart the console and re-enable pairing if needed. A quick reset of the DualSense or re-entering the accessory's pairing mode usually resolves issues. These steps cover the most common roadblocks quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.